everybody. This is just going to be a short tutorial on how to copy and paste the worksheet for the My Perfect City assignment and to add it to your homework assignment. So here is the worksheet I want you to do. And again, what we're doing with that worksheet is simply copying it and pasting it. But OneNote is a little finicky when it comes to pasting assignments, so I wanted to go through that with you guys. So all you need to do is right click on it and copy it, and then go to your homework assignment page. So again, you're going to click on your name over here. You're not going to see all of these names. You're just going to see your name, and I'm going to use Jalen again as an example. You're going to see homework underneath your name. If you click on your name, click on homework, and then you're going to title this assignment My Perfect City. And all you need to do is hit Control V. And there's your assignment. Now what you're going to do in order to draw on OneNote or your class notebook is go over to the tab that says Draw. And then you can select your color. And then if you need to do a larger thickness or smaller thickness, you can do that here. I'm just going to do right in the middle here. And then you can start writing down your positives of what you would include in a perfect city and negatives that you would not want in your perfect city. So here's an example. In my perfect city, I'd want a basketball court because I like to play basketball. I'm just going to abbreviate court CT. A negative that I would not want in my city would be traffic. I hate dealing with traffic. So hopefully you guys get the picture, and then you're going to fill out the entire chart. And then again, it automatically saves, and you don't need to send it to me. So I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, just email me at andrew.k12.sd.us, or I will have a Zoom open office hours from 12 to 1 this week, and you can just click on the link. I'll post it under the day's assignments.